Hi everyone, have a good day and stay healthy. Eiram here, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we'll be cooking quick spiced seafoods recipe. Okay, let's begin. Let's prepare the shrimps or the prawns for cleaning. I-separate lang natin yung ulo at putulin natin yung mahahaba nilang buhok. But hindi po natin itapon yung ulo, only yung buhok po yung dapat itapon. Kasi yung ulo, lulutuin pa din po natin yun. And hugasan po natin mabuti, let it drain and set aside it for a while. Now let's prepare the spices, garlic, onion, chili, leeks or onion leaves, minced, chopped, and of course, hinugasan na or washed. After slicing the spices, heat the pan, add butter, melt it, and saute the spices. Don't over brown the spices. And then add the shrimps or the prawns. Just mix it gently para hindi po madurog yung mga prawns natin. And then season it with your favorite seasonings. And then add a little salt. And then add in the sliced onion leaves. You may cover the pan for a little while. Don't overcook the shrimps or the prawns. You can tell that it is overcooked when its skin sticks to its flesh. Alright, this is done, and serve it with other side dishes. So the other two side dishes are lato and lukot. I just bought it in the market, and I just seasoned it with a little salt and spiced it up with sliced onion leaves and bulb onions, and dip it in the vinegar and calamansi juice mixture. That's it, so quick, and we're done. This one's Eiram. Thank you for watching.